back to my channel. So for today's video is very different. It's a how-to video, how to make DIY phone charms. I don't know if you see them going around lately on like Pinterest, TikTok. They're very trendy. And this is one I made off camera, like super cute, beaded, you know, just something very aesthetic to have on your phone, and then you get to hold it, you know, something really cute and easy to do to make your phone prettier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe because that'll mean so much to me, and let's get right in the video, boo. Okay, first up, I got this string thing, Michael's. I'll put the label right here if I missaid it or anything, but this is what it looks like. It was really cheap. I think it was like $7, but like, girl, go to Michael's, look up some coupons. You save yourself 20% off, I think, or 40% off. I got off one item. So this was handy that I got some money off. So this is wax string. So this is the kind of string you need. So that's what you get. And then at Walmart, I did get me some pearls, some cute pearls. These were like $3.97. Go in the craft section. This is what I got. I also got I think 20% off or 40% off. I don't remember. I did get these beads. I saw this going around like on TikTok, Pinterest, and I had to get these beads because these beads were like so pretty. So I got money off of this too. So I'm gonna use this and this, and we're gonna make a cute little beaded phone charm, or you can make it for your camera if you like vlog or you're like a photography. You can make one for your camera. I don't know if I'm gonna put that on my camera or not. It looks super cute. I thought about it. I can put it on my camera and it'll spice it up a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna make those. Okay, so the beads I've had on here are from Walmart that I had a long time ago. So I had some like beads in my room that I had. So I don't know if you can find them again, but you can get any kind of beads wherever you want. Probably on Amazon you can find it better, but like these are all the beads I have. So I have like letters. I kind of organized it, and then like some more letters that look like that. And then these are just like random, like with animals, different heart letters, just like different kinds. And then like regular beads, and that's what I try to find. Mostly I have. So I did kind of like a rainbow effect on this one. So just to let you know, the beads I had were from a long time ago, so I got them at Walmart for sure. So, but I don't think they sell them anymore. But if you go on Amazon, you'll probably find the same kind of beads, because I looked them up and you can find very similar ones. So if you just look up like letter beads with random ones, you'll find it perfectly. And let's get right into it. So, supplies you will need is a bobby pin, your thread, and your beads. So the reason why I need a bobby pin is so I can hold the beads or the axle. Don't be like slipping and sliding everywhere. So this will really secure your beads. So you want to make it as long as possible, because I have messed up quite a bit of the string of like being too short and stuff like that. So I'm gonna move y'all down where I'll be talking more to y'all like hands on, and you can see what I'm doing. So let's move y'all. Hey boos. Okay, so as I was saying, you want to get your string. Okay, so you want to get your thread and kind of fold it in half as much. And then you want to see on your phone of how long you want it. So this is too long. So, okay, so probably like almost a whole arm length for me. So I'm going to put the bobby pin right here, so I exactly know where my beads will stop. And you also want to do it very long, just in case if you cut the string too short and tie it very short. So we're going to put our beads in. And also you'll be needing some scissors. So I finally finished. Okay, I measured it to my other phone and it's the same length as my other one, just to make sure. So I wanted to come on here quickly to do a voiceover to explain it a little bit better. So here we're going to double tie it at the top to secure the knot. We're going to secure the knot right here. So we're going to double tie it. Now the string is secured. So now we're going to get the scissors and then cut off the extra string we have. We're going to tie it on our finger now, make another loop, wrap the loop around your finger. Then right after, you want to push the loop all the way down, and then you just slowly pushing the knot down as far as you could. Just like that, as far as you could. Look how cute it looks. And now, I'm going to give y'all an example on my phone. So what you're going to do is grab this, put it towards the hole of the side of your phone, and then the hole of this, you just slide this through. You slide it through and you pull it, and then you want to put the strings on the inside so they won't show, and then you put your phone back into your case. Okay, mine's a little bulky because I have 2 beads on there, but what it looks like if it was by itself, super cute. I can also cut the string and double tie it up a little bit shorter if I wanted to, but just like that, it looks perfectly cute. But don't mind. Hey boo, so look, I put this on my camera and look how cute it is. So you can also put this on your camera. Any strap you want to do, you can put it on there, and look at that. So cute. Look at that, more stylish. Look how cute. So you can put it on your camera, you can put it on your phone, you can put it on honestly anything that you want to have a strap on. Do it, boo boo. It's super cute and I love it. Hey boo, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys loved what I made. It came out so cute. Like, you can also make it shorter if you want. If I could just cut up a little bit and tie it more, you can make it shorter. However long you want it, it's depending on you, but like 11 inches, 11 to 14 inches will be a good length. So yeah guys, and I still have leftover beads. So I could probably make one more if I want, like one for my camera and then make one for my phone. So I still have plenty more beads. I can probably make 2 more beads with the ones I made. So if you want to make this size, like the amount I use, you can make 3 more. You can make 2 more, so you have 3 of them. And I think that's really cool. And if you want a little more beads like this, you can go on Amazon. I'll link some down below, like some similar ones that I have, so y'all can twin with me. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I will definitely help you if it kind of seemed like confusing if I was showing you or explaining. But leave a comment down below and I'll try to help you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!